This time of year. And we're going to keep going that way. And we're going to turn left at the stop sign. Okay, let's pull it over. We're going to park the vehicle on the downslope this time. Very good. And you can also cancel your signal. Right on. Okay. And we'll take off.
Straight. Oh, here. Drive. Put the indicator signal mirror over the shoulder.
You got it. Before they ask you to park it on a hill somewhere, they ask you to park it assuming you're leaving it for a long period of time. So that's why I said you can also cancel your signal.
Yeah.
So if you go visit someone, you won't leave your signal on.
Yeah.
And we're going to turn left here.
Okay. 90-degree turn.
I see this lady all the time. With her
Interesting.
little dog with the orange red coat on.
Yeah.
At the stop sign, we're going to make a left turn.